What is up, everyone? I am running late to my game, so I gotta make a little getaway to my destination. Let's go. Oh man, we're about to have a good day. Sunday, that means baseball. And today just happened to be a game that's at 8 o'clock in the goddamn morning. So,
hurry the fuck up.
but first, let's admire this growl. Oh yeah, I love morning starts. Look, we out here with the youngins, talking about partying and shit. We're gonna stay in school.
Party every day.
School. Play baseball and stay in school. That's all you gotta do, fellas. Oh, whoa, we got the Boost Mobile manager, the store owner. We're making moves out here, boys.
Logging at the game on a Sunday.
Oh man, I was messing with some beers.
Going live.
Oh, home now, Moy. Ooh, the fans want to see it.
Hey, you gotta delete that shit if you strike out. No, you gotta post it and you gotta add. You gotta have sound effects.
Pew!
Bruh. Never he misses his pitch.
Fight!
What do you have to say to the subscribers?
Hey man, you got me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
You know what to do, Frankie. Hello.
Holy fuck! Did anybody see that? Viewers across America, I'm sorry for my language, but well deserved.
The next inning.
Two pitches, kid. 2 pitches. Let him work, kid. Let him work. Yeah.
Use the force, Luke.
Boy, catch one, hit one. You got anything to say?
Follow me on Instagram. Click on Moy's View. My website, Moy's View Photography.
You got a website? What you gotta say for the video, Carlos?
You see your nose all the time. Your brain just chooses to ignore it. 50% of human DNA is shared with a banana. Unbelievable. Strawberries aren't berries, but bananas are, and so are watermelons and avocados. How? Mind blown.
What you gotta say? Yeah. She didn't hear it too.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Oh. No, she did hear. I said dead. Ooh. Get dirty! Get dirty! Get fucking dirty! got that shit.
Woo!
You don't say that when you're doing that, bro, because then you have to edit that out. Nah, he ain't say it was a family channel.
You got that bleep. That shit got me hyped the fuck up right now, dude.
What you gotta say?
I'm fucking proud of my team.
Yeah, hold on.
Got a
This is down
boy. The Blues like fuck. The game got another inning.
Alright, so we are done with the game and I am fucking exhausted. So we're gonna go home right now. We are going to get showered and get nice and rub-a-dubby-dubbied up. And we're gonna start working on these brakes. So, like I said, we're gonna go home and we're going to get this done. Let's go! After a full night of after a full night of curing, yeah, these things came out pretty nice, if I might say so myself. So next, what we have to do is, nope, not that, this. We're gonna put some high heat clear coat on it. So this one is for 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Caliper one here is only rated for 900. So why do this, you might ask? Because heat is generated at a higher rate from the outside of something. Therefore, the first line of contact for something to get hot will be your top layer of paint. Or by putting this, it'll at least stop any warpage if you put a decal, or at least any paint from fucking bubbling up or melting, whatever it might be. So this is good. Alright, now let's go. And the technique kind of doesn't really vary, it varies, but for me, I like to start where there isn't any material and end where there isn't any material, so I don't get any drips. Also, if you like, I have one of these things right here. I don't know what they're called, but it's like their easy grip and it like mimics paint gun. And if you haven't seen the previous video, I used a actual gun and a single stage paint setup to paint my CRX to the front end. So I kind of prefer that motion. So if you want one of those, you can get one of these right here. I have a link down below for Amazon as well, and they are pretty good. I mean, for the most part, they work, which is good. But yeah, like I said, there'll be a link down below so you can go check it out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these sit for 15 minutes and then I'm going to hit it with a second clear coat. And then hit it with a third clear coat and then we should be good. Alright, so got the third clear coat on there. And the funniest thing happened, you might see, oh, why is your caliper aligned differently? Yeah, it fell. I ain't tripping. So I caught it. You can see some stuff, but literally doesn't look like anything really happened. But yeah, these are starting to look glossy as hell. I have the other ones over here already rebuilt. Got the brake pads right there. Got the master cylinder. I got the proportion valve outside. I'm gonna paint it as well. So yeah.
8:01 p.m.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these sit for about a day or just overnight. I'll come back to these tomorrow around the same time, a little bit earlier, maybe like around 4 p.m., 5 p.m. We'll put these back together and then we'll have everything together, see what else we have to paint, see what else we have to buy, order to do this 89 Integra to 87 Civic CRX SI conversion. So what I want to do is take out the brake drums from my CRX and put in these rear calipers on there, and there's a whole other mess of things that I have to do. I have to change proportional valve, I have to change master cylinder, brake lines, e-brake cables, just that sort of stuff. So if you want to see something like that, then also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out all the other stuff that we have on this channel. I also hope you guys like the whole baseball footage. That's kind of just something that I've been doing for basically my whole life. I want to share more of my life with you guys and just grow as a person, grow as a channel, grow as a community. And yeah, hopefully we can get some more things done besides just the CRX. And I have high expectations, and I just hope I get a job that pays me well enough where I can just do this for a living. Just save up enough. You know, that's my goal plan. And I'll probably just do another video on that, of what my plans are, what I've done and stuff. But yeah, what I'm looking for right now is a engineering internship. I've had internships, too fucking many. But what I'm looking for right now is a full-time engineering gig once I finish in 6 months. And I'm applying since now. So resume's been sent out, resume's been going out everywhere, so hopefully I get a pick. They reel me in, I get these interviews out the way, and I can get paid so I can do what I actually love, which is working on cars. The shit that we have to go through to do what we love, right? Working on cars is fucking expensive. I need to do something to get me through all this shit. That's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys like today's video, make sure to go down and leave a like. And if you have any questions or any concerns or just want to be a dick, also go to the comments below and leave those. If you've kind of seen one or two of my videos and kind of like what we're doing here and want to see more, then that subscribe button will be just for you. Before I die from inhaling all these fumes, I'm gonna just go back inside. So like always, stay boosted. What?